Hi there, this is Miss Hayes. Need to get out your butterfly book and look for this page that has a couch and some shelves. It looks like a living room. It's page 141. And at the top it says Module 6, put together and take apart within 5. This should be Monday's video, 9:16, for my remote learners. So we are going to look at this page and we are going to circle the groups of 2, just 2. So let's take a look at this and we'll see what are the groups of 2 that you see. Look at your page because there is a glare on mine from the light up above. Maybe I need an umbrella. Okay, so let's see. We could say that there are 2 plants on the shelf. So let's circle those 2 plants on the shelf. What else is there 2 of? Oh, 2 pictures. Good. Think about some more things there are 2 of. Great. There are 2 shelves. Any more? I see a few more. 2 pillows. Good. Now remember before when we were doing categorizing, we have 2 books that are standing up and 1 that is laying down. So we could circle the 2 standing books, but not the one laying down. Okay? All right, so those are some ways that you can find groups of 2. So let's go ahead and turn the page over now. And we'll do the back side. This is ways to make 4 and ways to make 5. Let's take a look at it. It says to write the number that shows a way to make 5. And they did that with your blocks. So you just have to count how many blue blocks and write your number, how many red blocks and write your number, and then see if that is 5. Ready? How many blue blocks? Good. When you make a 2, you curve up to the top line, slant all the way down to the bottom line. Stop there and then trace that bottom line. That's how you make your 2. Let's count the red blocks. 3. Good. So we're going to start on the top line. We curve to the middle line and curve down to the bottom line. So it stands up. Let's make sure that's 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Let's go down to the next one. We're going to count the blue blocks again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So we write a 3. Remember, you start on the top line, curve to the middle, curve to the bottom. And let's count the red blocks. Ready? 1, 2. When you make a 2, you start on the top line, curve down to the bottom line, and trace the bottom line. See how it's a curve up here, and down here it's straight? So this says 3 and 2. Let's make sure that is equal to 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that equals 5 also. So all of those are equal to 5, right? Let's go down here and see what this is. It says, write the number of books. Let's count. You know that one. We practiced that one at the top. Let's count the number of blue books. Ready? That's the other number that we just practiced. Look, we have all the same numbers. If you count all those books, let's count them all and see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 altogether. Good job. Now we can tear this page out of your book. Hang it on your refrigerator if you'd like. And then we'll go get the next page out. We're going to represent addition problems within 5 using objects and drawing. So let's see. It says here, look at this beautiful picture. It's so fun. It's another living room. Look at the picture. What addition problem can you tell about the cat and the dogs? And write how many pets. So let's see. They said how many cats? So we could say there is 1 cat. And when you say and, you need a plus sign. How many dogs? 3 dogs. 1 cat and 3 dogs. How many animals altogether? We have to write that on this blue line down here. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. Good job, boys and girls. Excellent. Now let's take a look at the next side. So let's go ahead and erase that and turn our paper over. This time, you have to listen to the story, and we're going to draw our own picture. We could also use blocks. You have blocks at home, so you may use those. If you don't have them, go get them. Okay, let's start. It says, the bookshelf holds 1 yellow book. I have a marker. I think I will just draw my yellow. Oh, maybe I can't. This is not a dry erase marker, so I'm going to pretend this is yellow. 1 yellow book and 2 green books. We'll put those over here. Pretend they're green. The bookshelf holds 1 yellow book and 2 green books. How many books are on the shelf? Good. Let's write that number. So we're going to draw the 1 yellow right here. And then we'll have to draw the 2 green books. If you have crayons, go ahead, you may use those. And that equals 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now let's look down here at number 2. There are 2 blueberry muffins and 2 banana muffins. How many muffins are on the table? 2 blueberries and 2 banana muffins. How many are there? Excellent job. There are 4 of them there. Good work. You're going to tear that page out and get out the next page. If at any time you need to push pause and take a bathroom break or whatever, you may, or even just to tear your page out, go ahead and push pause until we're ready for the next page. Here we have, looks like a dining room table or a kitchen table, and the living room again. We're going to listen to another story. So I'm going to use my blocks again. It says there are 4 forks. 4 forks, I'll put them on this side of the table. And 1 spoon on the table. How many utensils are on the table? That's another word for forks and spoons, utensils. So how many utensils are there? Let's count them. 5. So let's make a 5. Short line and a round and a hat on the top. Let's draw that now. How many forks were there? There were 4 of them. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're forks. So I'll put some little prongs here. And how many spoons were there? 1 spoon. Good. And we'll put a little circle at the end because a spoon is kind of a circle at the end. And then you count your utensils. Okay, we're ready for the next one. It says that there is 1 red pillow. So I'm going to draw 1 red pillow, except it won't be red. I'll make it a circle. And there are 3 orange pillows on the couch. So I'm going to make my circles bigger for orange. 1, 2, 3. So there's 1 red one and 3 orange ones. How many pillows are on the couch? That's right, 4. Good job. See how we could use drawings or we could use our blocks? We can do either one. If you have crayons, that would be great. Go ahead, use your crayons to make your yellow pillow and your 3 orange pillows. So go ahead and get your crayons if you want to do that. And let's turn our page over and see what we have here. All right, so here's our story. We have to listen. This is a mystery because there's nothing here. So we have to listen to figure it out. There's 1 pink shell and 1 brown shell are on the beach. So let's draw 1 pink one. If you have a pink crayon, use your pink crayon. And 1 brown shell. If you have brown, use brown. I'm just going to make mine big and small. How many shells are on the beach? Good job. Remember, around and down. Trace that bottom line. It's a straight line. Good work. If you did not need help with that, I have done this before. Go ahead and do your star. If this is new to you, you're going to check that one. I think we've all done some of these. We've been doing them for a long time now, for about a week or 2. So good job. Excellent. Let's erase and get out your practice book. It's the one with the black and white pages in your book with the letter P on the butterfly wings. Your page looks like this. I'm going to just tear mine out now. And I'll put this here. Okay. There are 2 blackfish and 3 whitefish. How many fish are there? Do your careful counting. You should cross them off as you go so you don't forget what you counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So make your 5. Down here, we're going to have to draw our picture. There are 3 apples and 1 banana in this basket. So let's draw our 3 apples. and 1 banana in our basket. Those are quick pictures. They're just circles or an oval. How many pieces of fruit are in that basket? Great job. 4. Don't forget to write it. Don't just count, you've got to write. Now the big mystery right here. Eli has 3 orange cubes. So we're going to draw 3 orange ones. If you have an orange crayon, get your orange crayon and draw 3. And he has 2 yellow cubes. If you have yellow, get that. Now count how many cubes he has all together. Good job. Don't forget to write your number. Good. Turn your paper over. Okay, let's finish this lesson up. There is 1 towel with stripes and 1 towel with stars on the rack. How many towels are on the rack? Fill in the circle under that number. When you do that, remember, no scribbling. You must fill it in nice and neat. Let's count and see. Right there. Some of us are very messy colorers and they like to scribble on those. So remember, you're just filling in the circle. Let's go to the next one. This one here. There are 3 shirts and 1 pair of pants on the clothesline. Mark how many pieces of clothing are on the line. This time we'll have to circle it. Let's do this one now. We're going to compare them. Circle the group that has a number of lamps that is less than the other group. Remember what less means. Good. Less is not as many. Good job. All right, boys and girls, that was great work today. Remember, keep practicing, and you can make up your own story problems. We've done a lot of practicing that here at school. So let's see if you can do it at home as well. Bye-bye.